I've just casted. I've just casted. You know. So why are you coming through? I think I've got a hit. Yeah. No. What? I can't tell with these tiny fish. Oh, I just caught a bunch of seaweed, bro. Oh, I'm not hitting any casts. All you guys see is like the good, calm shit. You guys don't see the preparing. Spent an hour fixing this shit, fixing my rod because it broke and stuff. Bro. You guys just see the calming sea. Probably gonna edit this out anyway. Do a voiceover. Oh well. Nice. That was a nice cast. Right. But go check out the snorkeling video that I posted. That was pretty fun. That was earlier today, and I think we'll probably be doing some jumping in from the harbour tonight. Go check that out once it's up. Probably up tonight. We're actually going quite close into. We're drifting into shore, so one last cast, and I'm going to paddle back out again because we're quite, you know, we're not deep. Oh, might be something. Might be something. Nothing happening on the rod, but I can feel a little bit more. Yeah, just seaweed. Yeah, that's the problem with this kind of bit in the sea. A lot of seaweed happening, and not many fish. Like, we did see some fish on the snorkel, but like only small ones, not big ones. Yeah. Just keep paddling out. Grab my snorkel and go for a little dive under, see what's happening. You guys can take a look under now. Right, yeah. It's pretty big waves today. It's making it quite hard for me to paddle. And oh my god, yeah, he's all the way over there. He's gone. Apparently there's a place to jump in over here somewhere. But, I don't know. I can't really see many places. Sorry, my voice is just cracking. But yeah, guys, don't remember to like and subscribe. Yeah. I have a feeling I won't catch anything. Miles was convinced because we saw fish. Again, they were really totally fish. There's some sailing boats over there. You can see them. I don't know what they're doing. But there's something I can hit. I don't know if that's to me. Oh, I just realised my fucking rod is misaligned. If I get that fixed, I won't be this way. Right, there we go. Shit. Oh, little plane. Sick, always cool. Oh, that's a nice cast. Oh, it's quite deep. I'll take you guys off so you can see. Crop it. Plane's going by again. Sick. So yeah, we're in Lower Largo this week. Did a bit of fishing and snorkeling. Staying with my mate. It's quite nice. It's quite nice. Oh god. Yeah, I think this needs to be fixed. Oh, we're in a big dark patch. Right. It. Oh shit. Oh, this is annoying. Fuck. Oh man. Broken up my crab net. I wonder if I set it on. Yeah, we'll do a bit of crabbing.